Here's an amazing trap from a game played between two super grandmasters. We have the English opening, then we see the knights coming out. G6, black plans to fianchetto this bishop. White pushes d4, black takes, and now, instead of taking this pawn right away, white goes for a tricky idea. He plays knight to d5. Black develops his bishop. Defending this pawn, then we have bishop to g5, attacking the queen. The best move for black is actually knight c2 to e7, but a very natural move that was also played in the game was to block with this knight. And now comes the killer move. Knight takes on d4. If he takes with the knight, then the sweaty is gone. Therefore, he takes with the bishop, but white just throws away his queen. You know what? If he takes this queen, then it's a beautiful checkmate, just like this. Therefore, he does not take the queen and castles king's side, but then we see knight f6 check, king h8, knight g4 discovered check. The queen is lost, but again, it's a stunning checkmate.